Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to quickly introduce you to the basics of Google Docs. So if you're just starting out or you've never used it before, this video will help you understand the main things you need to know. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com. You must be signed into your Google account. Once the page opens, you'll see your recent documents and a big blank button. Click that to start a new document. Now you're inside a fresh Google Doc. This is where you type, just like Microsoft Word. At the top, you can see your formatting toolbar. Here is where you change font size, bold text, italics, underline, change colors, align text to left or center, and add bullets or numbering. If you want to give your document a title, click where it says Untitled Document at the top left and type your document name. Google Docs saves everything automatically. You don't need to click Save. Every change you make is stored instantly in your Google Drive. If you want to share your document with someone, click the Share button at the top right, enter their email, and choose if they can view, comment, or edit. Next, if you want to insert things like pictures, tables, charts, or page numbers, go to the Insert menu at the top. If you want to change the layout or margins, click File then Page Setup. Another cool feature is collaboration. 2 or more people can edit the same document at the same time from different devices, and you'll see their cursor move live. You can also leave comments using the comment icon at the top to communicate changes. And that's the basics. Google Docs is simple and powerful for school work, office work, writing, and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tech tutorial. See you in the next one.